Hey guys, I decided I'm going to record the sounds on my farm. Just listen. It's beautiful. Here comes the car. Sounds of the farm, man. Sounds of the farm. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's beautiful. Since moving here 8 months ago, we have discovered 7 or 8 different kinds of fruits and edibles on this property. Everything from apples to pears to grapes to blackberries and strawberries and black walnuts, and the list goes on and on. There's over 2 acres worth of fruit and nuts here, which is fantastic. Then we planted lots of potatoes. We planted more grapes, red raspberries. So we plant blackberries, strawberries, tomato plants, plums, blueberries. 3 blueberry plants. I mean, we planted a lot since we got here too. So yeah, property is coming along nicely. It's beautiful. It's really freaking cool. Blue, come, leave the baby chicks alone. We got a bunch of baby chicks running around and a bunch of adults as well. I think we have 40 chicks, something like that on the property currently, maybe 50. Yeah, we got about 10 full-grown adults. We have geese. We're stuffing in a hole. We have geese. We have ducks. 4 different kinds of ducks. Several different kinds of chickens. 3 different kinds of turkeys. 2 different kinds of dogs. 3 cats. A pig. About 60 animals. So our little farm is really starting to take off. However, it still needs work. If I could spin you around, which I can't. Let me just spin my phone around. See this? All of this down here. All that needs work. All of it. It's a huge hill, 1.5 acres about, of weeds that are taller than me. So, guess what? I bought a machine that will take care of all this. So it should be here in the next couple days. So I'm excited to show everybody that. And then we can really, really show off this property, because I want to put a garden down here in this a big area with this stream. I want a garden. There's a flat area down here. There's a garden out front, but there's not enough soil. But down here, we have allspice, trees, bushes, whatever you want to call them, which is fantastic. It's another food, you know. Allspice to go with all this fruit. So I need vegetables for that allspice. And there's a nice flat spot right in here where I could put a huge garden. See it? It's all overgrown with weeds right now. But there's a log down there. Right there's a log. And then there's a flat spot right here. And it goes way back there. So I'm trying to do this backwards because I'm on the other screen. But it goes way, way back there. There's my puppy. Let's see if you can see him. I'm trying to do this backwards like I said. Hold on. Can you see him? I hope so. I'm using my front camera, but he's adorable. Anyway, because it won't let me switch it. It's the first time I've used this camera on his phone. It's a new phone because I busted my old one. Anyway, this lovely 2 acres of beautiful property here, we're going to farm up. So that's the plan. I want to get a Holstein or a heifer or something to help us clean this out as well. We're going to start working on this garden first, of course. Area first. I'm going to need to get a dump truck full of topsoil in here. That's another project. Look at my beautiful home. See it back there? I love our house. I really do. I love my land. I worked really hard to get here. Really hard. You guys that know me know where I came from. I came from the streets, really. And I own this. And 2 acres. Free and clear. No loan did this. There's no bank. There's never been a bank lien on this. There never will be a bank lien on this. I own this property myself, free and clear, thanks to my husband. I worked hard. Very, very hard. I was a single mom for a very long time, and it took me a long time to get here. So girls, don't think you can't do it, because you can. Anyway, we got here because I put my skills into another house to fix that house up, to resell that house, to get this house. And guess what I'm doing to this house? Same thing. Put my skills into it and my valuable time to make it more valuable, to sell it, to get more land. That's the plan. Anyway, see my little stream down there? I don't know if you can see it, but we'll walk down there. See it? There's fish and crayfish in there. Bowser! Bowser! Let's see if he'll come running down the hill. Bowser! Come on, boy. He should. I think he's outside. Bowser! Blue, where's Bowser? Bowser! There he comes. I'm my little puppy. He's 3. He's got a little bit of a hip problem. Let's go walking down the trail. Listen to the sounds. Hopefully I don't fall. It's early in the morning. About 7:30. Let's go see this area, shall we? Come on, Blue. Am I on the screen? Right, come on, Blue. Let's go. Put it over my shoulder so I can see. Hopefully I'm slipping on. Come on, Blue. We like to measure how high the stream gets by that. Right now it's really low. But there's crayfish in here. Blue loves to run in here. We had sheep down here, hence why this is here. They're gone now. Got rid of them. They weren't our thing. There's a bunch of crayfish in here. Blue loves water. You see them moving around? Beautiful, right? Upstream. It's downstream. There's a bigger waterfall upstream. Up there. See it? And behind that, there's an even bigger one. But I call this the three falls because there's three of them in a row. Look at Blue. He's having a blast. He loves water. What you doing, Blue? What are you doing? There he goes, back out into the water. I don't know if you can see him. See my hair? It's like backwards. We're trying to dam this up here to make this a pond. However, it needs to be dug out. But we're at bedrock. As you can see, bedrock. So this is going to take a machine to dig out. And we are forever away from the road. My house is way at the top of that hill, right there. So, and then there's Iron Man Little Mountain. And then my driveway's on the other side of that hill. So getting a machine down here is next to impossible. So jackhammer is our assuming thing that we're going to have to do. This video is 13 minutes long. I don't know if it's going to upload, but I'll try. But isn't this beautiful? Did we pick a good piece of property or what? In the comments. Oh, by the way, the best part. The house is spring fed. This is the Appalachian Mountains. And there's a spring up here. From my house is spring-fed water from the river that runs under this creek. It's a spring that runs under this creek. So, yeah, how awesome. It's not a well. A well, the water sits. This is a spring. The spring moves. Difference. So, yeah, I got a spring-fed water to my house. It's the best water I've ever tasted. It tastes so good. Besides the point. As long as this creek is running, I have water because the water, this is the overflow from that river that's below my house. That's also below this mountain that I'm living on. Anyway, there might be a cave under my house. Who knows? I think there is actually because there's a opening over here under the Lion King rock, as we call it, Pride Rock. Look at this Blue. Look when he's running in and out of the water, by the way. And then also next to me is Shake. Shit. I got mommy all wet. Go on. So yeah, we love it here, obviously. This is the rainforest of the Appalachian Mountains. And it's beautiful. And we love it. In the comments, I want you to guess what we paid for this property. Just guess. Maybe you know. Something you already know what you paid. So those who know, keep your mouth shut. But those who don't know, just say yes. What would you pay for this property if you got it? It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, all wood home. It is built in the 1900s, 1920s, I believe. Spring-fed water. It is on the grid as far as electric goes. I have a septic, but you could put it on the water grid if you wanted to, but yeah, thanks. I don't want city water. Yeah, and there's 2 springs on my property. There's one on that side, and there's one down here on this side too, in front of that. I believe it's from the same spring. Blue! Blue! Gotta get my dog. Blue! There you be. Come on, boys, let's go home. So what would you guys pay? I know what I paid. And I know what it's worth. What do you think it's worth? And what would you pay for it? Anyway, we're gonna put, there's 2 pieces of property here. This one over here, that's got its own little cabin foundation on it. And it goes up there towards my house. But this has got to be fixed. It needs footers under it and all that kind of stuff because it's not done right. So yeah, I gotta fix that. But yeah, it's a great little spot to sit though. It has a campfire down here, a little stone fireplace, although I've never used it. That's my beautiful morning, taking a walk with my dogs, enjoying the morning, and then I gotta go off to work. See my little mountain area. It's beautiful, right? We're on bedrock here, so we live in the mountains. Appalachian rain mountains, whatever you're gonna call it. It's called a rainforest. Appalachian rainforest. Look it up. It's a bullet. Hey, what the heck is that? What the heck is this? Anyone know what the heck this thing is? Funny what you find on a 100-year-old property. Who knows? Who knows? Could have been a spur on a shoe, you know? I have no idea. Obviously, it's a farming equipment of some sort. But what? It is metal. But what? I don't know. On my channel, we can find all kinds of stuff. Come on, Blue. Come on, Bowser. Let's go, boys. Going home. Let me know what you think this is in the comments, too, because I have no clue. My husband left the chainsaw sitting outside last night. I think it didn't rain. Alright, guys. I will see y'all later. Have a blessed day.